Today, Mocha and I are exploring Grevers Nature Center. I came here before with Blue, and I didn't know the pronunciation correctly, that it was Grevers and not Grevers, but it is called Grevers Nature Center. I had that verified by somebody who let me know in the comments. So come along, join us. So I'm still learning the trails in this area, and this little trail that I followed, which is to the right of the parking lot when you pull in, I thought, because I looked at an All Trails map, that it was a trail that allowed you to loop around the lake, but apparently it doesn't. It does loop, but it doesn't go around the lake. So we're headed back on this little loop, and then we're going to go down one of the other trails that'll take us deeper into the preserve and have a little fun that way. If you go down that trail, it just loops around and comes back this way. So kid, that would have been a great place for a tree fort. This is one of the things I always run into in this place. You come to a completely four-way intersection, and we just passed two other ones back in there. And anyways, I mean, I'm not really concerned about getting too lost. I kind of know where the lake is, but it'd be nice if they had some markers around here with maps like they have at Fort Custer. That way you can really see that you're exploring all the trails, you know? This is actually pretty big, but it's very easy to get turned around in here. but it's a beautiful day, so we're just going to enjoy it. I really love the trees in this place. You got big ones and new growth, pine trees, just fun. That is a strange hole. What's in there? I want to stick my hand in there. Well, Mocha and I are wrapping up our walk today at Grevers Nature Center. So thanks for coming along with us on this little warm day in early April, and hope you guys will check this place out. It's a beautiful place to come walking, and I think it's going to even be prettier when the leaves are fully out. It'll be awesome in the fall, so I'm going to keep coming back here and hopefully post some more videos on this place. It's just really a peaceful place, and it's one of my favorite ones to come to now. So this is the second time I've been here. It's definitely should be on the top of your list if you're looking for a nice out of the way place that is close by between Marshall and Battle Creek, and someplace where you can just take a nice walk in the woods and kind of clear your head for a few hours. So put it on your list. If you like today's video, please give us a like, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel, maybe share the video with others, and I will see you next time on our next great adventure.